Here she is. Motor is split. Yamaha 660. We're gonna be replacing the crank. That's what she is, what she look like. Reason why we're doing the crank. Show you the rod. A serious play in there. See if I can get a shot there. This is the rod right there. That created a bad slapping off the piston and just about destroy this motor. But we caught her in time, and we're gonna be swapping her out. Show you the brand new crank right here. Yeah, shiny brand new crank. Okay, so we're on our way. We're gonna be getting her cleaned up, and then we're gonna pull some bearings out. The main bearing, we're gonna replace in this main bearing here. All right, and I think the other one on the other side of the crank comes with the crank, new crank. So that's good. That's awesome. Don't have to be messing around with that. So yeah, getting ready to clean her up and start getting a brand new crank in her. Yamaha 660, guys. All the gears are intact. I'm glad about that. Everything stays in place. I'm going to try and keep that, maybe tie this gear section up, so once we're working on it, we don't get anything falling out of place. So we'll keep all those gear together. We'll take this oil strainer out and clean it up. Oil pump. We'll test that out, make sure she's working before we put everything back together. Okay. We also bought a crank installer, or crank puller. Yeah, crank puller installer. Brand new. Never been used. Motion Pro, only the best. Comes with some pieces there too. So we're gonna be trying that out. That's a crank puller / installer. It's all for the Yamaha 660 here. Getting her done.